We'll do it all, everything.
You can see it's bubbling away nicely. Whoa, 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 whoa. Now, topped up to just over 23 litres. And at a ground temperature of, that's it. Doesn't show up on there very well, but it's at 18 degrees. Yeah. So, I'm going to get back to this in 2 more days and add hot pellets as recommended. But it's bubbling away nicely. There's a sterile solution inside the bubbler because it goes back the other way. And you don't want the other water going down into your beer, making it spoil. I'm not professing to be some expert because I've got no idea. It's just something I read. 23 litres, or probably 23 and a half or something. Okay.
We'll do it all, everything on our own.
It's day 5 of my Bure Gold, Woodforde's Homebrew, and today is Hop Edition Day. So, I've got Cascade pellets. Cascade, 10 grams of Cascade, and I've got Amarillo pellets, 10 grams of Amarillo hot pellets. So I'm just going to take the top off of the fermenter, as you see there, and I'm going to drop those pellets in. The bubbling has somewhat slowed down now, so here we go. Being as careful as I can, don't want any condensation to drop in. And there is our beer. It smells rather good. So, first of all, I'm going to add the Amarillo hops. I assume I can just sprinkle them in, not say any different. There we go. I say they do smell rather nice. I think there's a couple more still in there. Right, you get. Beautiful. Now the Cascade. Oops. Beauties. There we go. There and now on the top. They're breaking up, I assume that's normal. Not sure if I should be leaning over the top of it like this. If I drop something in there, I've lost my phone and the beer. So we'll lean back a little bit. Good stuff. Okay. I don't think I should give them a stir. I have read that I don't want to introduce any, or as little amount of oxygen as possible. So I won't stir it. I'll just let them do their own work. Okay, done. Just gonna have a little read of the box. Not quite sure what comes next. It says, sprinkle the yeast onto the beer, which I've done, cover the fermenter and leave to stand for 5 to 7 days in a warm place between 18 and 20. So I've got mine on a little heat pad there, which seems to be maintaining 18 very well. So I'll get back, I'll update in 10 days when it's time to perhaps bottle this stuff off. In the meantime, I'll try and learn a bit about ways of bottling. Don't know much about it yet, but still learning. Okay, so thank you very much. If you want to like and subscribe, and perhaps if you want to give one of these a go, I'm sure they'd appreciate it. And I'll speak to you soon. Thank you. Cheers. Bye.
All the shine of 1,000 spotlights, all the stars we steal from the night sky will never